Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today, as you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen. You know what that means. It's cooking time, guys. I hope you guys are doing good. If you are new in my channel, welcome. If you are one of my regular subscribers, welcome back. Guys, today we are making homemade beef stew. I'm using a small lilac onion. This is a tiny one because, guys, I do my beef stew many different ways, but this time I want it to be nice and hearty. So I am heating up my pan. You guys see there's no liquid on my pan. So I am using 1 pound and 16 ounces of USA certified English roast beef, cube pieces. So what I'm going to do, I don't have anything in there, so I'm going to sear my beef. I'm going to brown it a little bit. Guys, this video is part of the open collaboration Quick and Easy Meals. Yeah, I dropped a piece. My dog is on the floor. She's grabbing it. It's okay. She could eat it, even though it's raw. It's beef. It's not going to do any harm to her. So I want to let this sear here for a little bit. I also want to cover it so it release some juice because we're going to use those juices, guys. All right, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and Jean Home Decor and more. Guys, this is an open collaboration, and we bring this every Sunday to you. We share some of our recipes, guys. Yeah, I'm going to make some beef stew and a little bit of white rice because, guys, I don't know in your part of the world where you at, but here in Connecticut, it's been nothing for rain. It's been nothing but rain for the past few days. We have 2 days with no rain, and here we are, guys. It is pouring. I mean, I woke up this morning, rain. I mean, it's just been raining, and it's already 5:14 in the afternoon, and it is pouring. Earlier, there was some lightning and thundering, but you know what, guys? It's a blessing this raining because it would have been no snow, and we don't want snow. Anyways, I will be linking the other host links in the description box below. Guys, before I go on, we having a open collaboration called March Madness. So what is it? It is a wood serving collaboration. So this time you could have, I'm just going to show you as a sample. I'm not using this because this is a decorative purposes. You could have a wood tray, like a cutting board, lazy Susan. You could, as long as it's wood, you could cover it with the plastic paper. And this one is going to be wood serving meat and cheese. Okay, a lot of people be like, but that's gonna be a lot of meat and cheese. But guys, if you guys go back, I will link one of my videos here or here, and I just don't serve meat. I do some meat, I do some empanadas, I do a little bit of dessert. So you could do, if you have a big wood, you could do a little roll of cheese and cold cuts. You know, you could purchase one of those little trays that they sell for get together. You could just put it on your board. You could either put cookies, cupcakes. You could make a breakfast, you know, like scrambled eggs and bacon, and place it on your tray. You could make pinwheels, cut them, display them on your tray. Yeah, guys, we hold this once a month, and this time is March Madness, and it's going to be fun. So guys, I'm going to bring you some goodies. You could either do like little meat sandwiches. You could take 2 slices of bread, make a meat sandwich, cut it in 4, and you just place them on your tray, make it look nice, you know. And if you want to add some carrots, celery, and just make a nice little tray and share it with you guys. Use the hashtag, guys. By the way, go to the Grace Life DIY community tab. She's one of the hosts for this collaboration. She's the main host for this collaboration. I'm going to leave her link of her channel in my description box, like all the other hosts. And guys, she posts a calendar once a month with all the open collaborations that we have. Now she's going to be coming soon with next month calendar. Guys, if you are a channel that have like maybe 200, 300, 400 subscribers, believe me, you join us and you follow YouTube etiquette, you will get subscribers. You will grow, guys. So I'm telling you, you will grow, because I have. Anyways, I'm going to make sure that this is nice and seared. Ooh, yes. And I'm gonna be using for my beef stew. This time I'm going to be using pasta sauce. I'm not showing you the brand, but it's a store brand pasta sauce. I'm going to be using carrots, of course, potatoes. I'm going to be using an onion, and I'm going to be using my spices, cilantro. I'm going to be using sazon, Italian seasoning, oregano. Yeah, guys. So we're going to do that. So therefore, I'll be right back once this is seared. All right, guys. That is already seared there. I already have added my onions. Now what I'm going to do is, yep, I already added my onions. What I'm going to do, and I'm making only for 2 people, so this is going to be plenty. I'm going to add my carrots, very simple. And to that, I got some hot water here. Ooh, I don't want to bring the temperature down, so I'm going to add hot water, enough for it to boil. Guys, also, I'm going to let that boil for a little bit until the carrots start getting nice and tender. But before I do that, I'm going to start adding my spices. Garlic, Italian seasoning, oregano. I will be adding adobo. Oh, guys, I am so short. But there's somebody out there that's shorter than me, and she knows who she is. I know that's going to make you laugh. How you doing, sis? Anyways, I'm going to be adding one of these. And this is the one with a saffron, which it turns the food red or yellowish. So in Spanish is achote. So I'm going to be doing that. Guys, I don't measure my spices, so I'm just going to show you more or less. This one is oregano. All right. Adobo, but I have a teaspoon. It seems like it's a lot, but it's not. Half a teaspoon. Italian seasoning, the same amount. And of course garlic, which I have here. Now garlic, I add at least about a teaspoon because we love garlic in this house. About a teaspoon. And I'm going to let that boil for a little bit until the carrots start getting tender. Also, let's taste to make sure there's any other spice. Black pepper. And I will be adding about cilantro. You know, different people use different flavors. This is the way we like our beef too. Cilantro. I'm going to let that boil for a little bit. Why I keep grabbing the wrong lid? I keep grabbing the wrong lid. I don't know. I'm going to let it boil for a little bit. And we will return. Oh guys, I also want to mention in this month we still doing it's every Monday. The playlist get updated every Monday, which is the Deep Clean collaboration, hashtag Deep Clean 24. You could clean anything in your home, your bathroom, your bedroom, your living room, anything. You could either do dishes, clean your counters, whatever you clean. Just record it, hashtag it, put the links of the host, which is Anna the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, in your description box below, and you will be adding to the playlist. Okay, guys? And also we have Tablescape Tuesday as well coming up. Check the community tab. Check Anna for that collaboration. It's called Tablescape Tuesday. Guys, this is boiling away. It smells so good. Guys, I added my carrots, I added the potatoes, so now I'm just letting it boil until everything is nice and tender. Here I have water boil for my rice. I already washed my rice. I'm only doing a cup of rice. Little bit of oil, salt, and that's it. And of course the water. And that we're going to put the beef to over the rice, guys. See, like right now, I always say don't put too much water because the rice is gonna come smooshy. I have too much water on my pot. So now I have to take a little bit of more rice, wash it, and add it in there. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. That's what I'm going to do. But let me bring you guys close. Hold on. Actually, what I'm going to do for the people that don't have need to add any more rice in there. If I would add rice in there, it's white rice. I could mix it with my dog's food. But if you don't want to waste your food because you don't have nobody else to have it, take a spoon with no holes. Make sure you disperse your oil and put it in there. Try not to get any other rice. Put it in there and remove some water and put it on the side on the bowl. Don't throw the water out because if you need to add a little bit of water for the rice to actually finish cooking, which I will show you that part if that happens, you don't have to add plain water. You already have seasoned water there. So my beef stew is coming along, guys. Oh yes, this is going to be so good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add, I have like I said, pasta sauce. So I'm going to add it in there. What that's going to do, that's going to help it thicken up. And that's it, guys. And I'm just going to let this boil here for maybe 30 minutes or so. That's it. I'm going to cover it and I'm just going to let it boil for a little bit, guys. So my rice is there. All right, guys. So I'll bring you guys right back. Well, here goes nothing. I don't have to add any more water to my rice. I took out the perfect amount. So my rice looks good. It's not looking smushy or raw. So that was perfect. This is how much water I took out of my rice. Look at this. This is a lot of water. If I would have left this in my pan, my rice would have been so smushy. It would have been like no good to add with the beef stew because it will be already smushy. And then this is what a beef stew is looking like, guys. This is what it's looking like. Oh, nice and hearty, guys. We need this. It's raining. It's so raw out here. Ooh, child. Oh, yeah. And this is 1 pound of beef. So that is the perfect amount. And that's even a lot. I think my son and my daughter might get some of that beef too. If they come and get it. Because mama's not going out. Well, let's check our beef stew. You guys can see the steam coming out of that pot. Oh, yes. That is nice and thick. Oh. The carrots are, let's see. The carrots are nice and soft. Guys, if you don't want to use water like I do, you guys can use beef broth if you like. I just don't see the need to use beef broth. And here's the rice, guys. It is nice and done. Not smushy at all. Let me bring it to the front. It's not smushy at all. It's nice and done. See that? So guys, let's serve, guys. Let's serve. This is so good, guys. Guys, here it is. Homemade beef stew. Nice and hearty, guys. And we're going to accompany with some white rice. Yes, guys, that's how we're going to have it. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.